Okay, we're going to try the radian today in high winds. I don't know how good it's going to work, but I put a new antenna on a camera here. I want to see how good it is. It's a dipole antenna, so it's not really going to work that good, but as long as it's okay for like right here. It's very windy. It seems to be okay, but it's real windy.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Breaks up a lot. Yeah, see it? It's still doable. I mean, it's better than throwing the camera in the garbage. Well, it's windy. It's working, that's all I care. And for a light plane, this thing's flying pretty good in the wind. It's about 10 miles an hour, 15. A little bit hairy here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Seems okay. It's being pushed all over the place. But whoa, nice wind gust. Wow, it's real windy now. Whoa. Yeah, it's real windy. Whoa. Holy crap. Yeah, it's windy. Wow. Wow, it's windy. It's pushing it to the side. It's still flying though. This plane is best in calm winds, not this kind of wind, but I wanted to test it, the antenna. It's okay for here. I could deal with a little bit of breakup. Whoa. Holy crap. I'm surprised it's flying, actually. Look at that, it's pushing it all to the side. Look, it's flying sideways. Wow. Okay, that's crazy. Whoa.
Time remaining 1 minute.
It's actually working. Oh, I hit the tree. That was my fault. Yep, that was my fault. Alright, well it works. Okay, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.